I wanna put something there. I'm gonna make a video in Haitian Creole, of course, about this passage in 1 King 11 to 13, and I'm going also to speak exactly the same thing in Haitian Creole, because I think my Haitian community and Africans need to hear that. We're so stuck into, oh, that's our ancestors. Your ancestors is not practicing the devil. The devil never give anything for free. He is a liar. He is a liar. He comes to destroy you, to lie, to manipulate you, and kill. Nothing that the devil gonna give you is gonna leave legacy, right? So in Haiti, clearly, and a lot of Haitians don't like to hear that, I'm a truthful woman, because I don't speak based on color. I don't speak based on of countries. I don't speak based of languages. I speak based of God and truth. As God said, the truth should make you free, and we have to tell the truth. Haiti is one of the countries in the Caribbean. They are so deep in practicing devil. Whoo, deep. And not because I don't love you. I'm Haitian. I love my country. But this is the time for us to wake up and ask God to clean us. I've been praying. We have a prayer every Sunday at 6 p.m. on Zoom. I decided to lead Haiti into prayer and the Haitian people, for God to clean her heart, for God to soften her heart, for Him to take over the land, remove all the dust, remove anything that keeping us into darkness, shine the land of Haiti with light. And the people will have leadership skills, will have the godly spirit in them instead of the spirit of the enemy. Because what's going on right now in her country is the devil is taking over. We're fighting against ourselves. Gangs are taking over, killing young children, killing women, older women, raping. This is not the work of God. This is the work of the enemy. Earthquake, everything that happening in Haiti right now is because we are disobedient children. All we have to do is put herself on her knees, asking God for forgiveness, and fully forgiveness. Not saying, oh, I believe in God, but that's one thing about Haitian people. I believe in God, but as Haitian, we also have a little God. No, God told you. God told you, you should know only one God, not two gods. That's it. And that's why we kept having the same back and forth in her country. Beautiful country, beautiful nation, but we're dealing with trouble, drama, natural catastrophes, violence. This is the time for us to pray for God to free us, stay away from all the